Wonder what this could be. Something from American Muscle. I wonder what it could possibly be. Package inside of a package. It's got MMD on it. Oh. Got some cloths. White pads, a couple of push pins, instructions. This looks to be this. That's what we have here. Yes, we have our, this is our diffuser kit. Okay, so it looks like we're going to get to do an install on these. I thought about just making a pair of these, which can be done. The problem finding the material locally in a small amount. Not successful in finding any scrap material. And the only material I could get was a large aluminum sheet, a 4x8, which they wanted, I don't know, $520 for. I don't know if they're interested in paying that much money. So there you have it. That is the diffuser. So we will do a mounting video on these and then see how they look once they're installed. Essentials you're going to need. Some instructions. You need what came in the kit. Nice water because it's damn hot out here. I do have a fan on. Okay. And a button removal tool or interior tool, if you will, paper towels, clean cloth, and some soapy water because we got to clean the surface. Yeah, I know, isn't that awesome? System 51 wax, it's awesome. Gives you a mirror shine. Okay, so I've jacked the car up so we can get a little work area here. See what we're doing. That's the tab that you're going to need to remove with the tool. See if we can get under there. This is hard to do with one hand, by the way. Yep. If I can get the whole tool under this thing, which is not working too well yet. Okay. It's slowly working there. Oop. Yeah, this is really hard to hold a camera and do this at the same time. This is actually somewhat painful. I'm going to put the camera down for a minute, guys, and do this, and I'll be right back. There we go. The tab is out. And now we're going to clean this surface right here. Yep, that's me. I'm going to clean that surface, and then we're going to do the same thing on the other side here. And once the surface is cleaned and prepped, then we'll be ready to line up and install our new diffusers. Be right back. Something to pay attention to is to make sure these are lined up correctly in order so that you know which one goes where. And as you can see at the very top, there's an angle cut So you have your left side in this picture here, from left to right matching the picture above. The two on the left are for the driver's side, and the two on the right are for the passenger side, okay? Simple Simon, A and B. So this is how you want to line these things up and make sure that they go on correctly, otherwise you're going to be in a mess. So here we have, this is our driver's side. So this one's going to go on first. You have to put the one with the tab on first. That gives you something to work on from your second. So you tab it up, make sure that it's straight. So do a visual, make sure it's straight. And then once you actually get that one applied, then you're actually going to measure across, as they're showing you here. Clean that up. You're going to measure it 5 inches from center on the other one to make sure they're lined up correctly. Now I don't know why they didn't just, I think they should have taken the other one and tabbed it just like this. You put it on, pop a hole in it, and then put your push pin up in there. That way if anything ever comes off, you're not going to lose it. Never been a big fan of anything that 3Ms onto a car, because over time with weathering they tend to come off. I have spent good money on side scoops, window scoops, and ultimately have lost them, especially when you're doing high speed, because they don't ventilate out of the back. So at any rate, let's get to putting this on. Again, I'm trying to do this with one hand, so I'm going to have to put the camera down, and we'll come back in a few minutes. There we go. We've got the first one on. There's our new push pin. So we cleaned the surface, we alcoholed it, and stuck our promoter on there. And now we've got it on there. So now we're going to go and do the second one, which again we're going to measure 5 inches from the center here out and install the second one. So again, we'll be right back. Okay, so we got both fins on here. Now, I didn't like the look of the 5. It looks like it's a little too crowded together. So I actually went 5.5. And I think the 5.5 to me looks a little more spaced correctly. You'll have to kind of figure out, if that's what you like or not, but that's kind of what I decided to go with. I like the look better. So now we're going to do the other side. Finished product. I think they look pretty good. Actually surprised. They look a lot better in person than they do in the pictures. Gives it a more aggressive look. So yeah, I'm kind of digging that. They're $19.99 for the package from American Muscle. To install this, maybe 15-20 minutes, if that. It was fairly easy, but like I said, on the measurement they tell you 5 inches. I went 5.5. I think it looks a little better, a little more evenly spread out. So that's your call. By the way, the push pins that you take out of here, save them, because they can be used in other places on the vehicle, like under the hood. So hold on to those. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with the kit. So get you some, and look forward to some more videos with you guys. Hopefully you liked it. If you need to leave any comments, do that below, and maybe subscribe. And I'm also building a 62 Dodge D100 Supline pickup truck project, so take a look at some of those videos as well. Take care.